All right, welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. If you can see me, I'm Ernest. We're here tonight with an emergency call out. I don't know if I've ever actually filmed an emergency call out this late at night. I know I filmed a couple, but it's pretty late. I think it's about midnight. And somebody can't get their spare tire off, or they can't get their tire off and get their spare tire on because they got a flat tire. I think they're actually at their house, and it's an emergency for them. Tonight's Saturday, so I don't work on Sundays. This is pretty much the only day I don't work unless it's like a super emergency. So anyways, yeah, we'll just kind of look at this. I usually never film because it's so dark at night. We'll see how this comes out, but we're headed to a town about 20 minutes away, and I'm gonna just take somebody's tire off for them. So it should take all of like 5 minutes, but I guess they're in a bit of a situation where they want it done. So here we go, and here we go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's a bummer. Yeah, so basically I'll just put the spare on, then you'll have that tire, so you can just drive in like to any tire store, just take it into there, like literally just physically take it in and say, can you patch it, plug it, or do I need a new tire, and just, you know, whatever you have to do at that point. So okay, and let me get a jack. Okay. The spare tire's in the trunk, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can just open it. I can pull it out for you so you don't have to pick that up, but just making sure. Yeah, those were on tight. Okay. So here's the spare. This one. Yeah. Sometimes spare tires are flat too, so this one's got some air in it. But if you go to a tire shop tomorrow or Monday or whenever, just ask them to double check the air in this tire. It may be a little low, but you should be able to drive over there on it. I'll see when I put it down though. They just have so much more pressure than the normal tires, it's hard to tell if they're flat or not.
They also have an air pump, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, these should get like 60 PSI, which is way more than probably like the 20 or 30 that are in that other one. So
33.
There you go. You got it. Sounds like you've done it.
Yeah, we did it earlier today.
That looks fine. Is this your jack?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put that in the trunk for it. And I did not over tighten those, so you should be able to get it off if you needed to yourself. But if you take it to a tire shop and they do the thing, they'll be the ones putting the new tire on, I'm sure. So let me get this out of the way. Yeah, it looks easy, but that gun I use is like the strongest of the strongest of the strongest kind of thing there is to get stuff off like that. So, and the way it was cranking down like that, I'm not surprised nobody could get it off by hand. It was on there tight. So, okay, Well, there you go. You can drive this where you need to now. That's good to go. Okay, y'all have a good night.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right, there you have it. Super quick, but I guess an emergency is an emergency. We got out here, got their tire changed over from. Yeah, that was on there tight. I'm not exaggerating. That gun, it could have definitely gotten off something even tighter, but it was, it pounded on those to get them loose. And I wouldn't be surprised if I couldn't get them off by hand. But no need for that when we've got that Milwaukee. So shout out to that M18 impact there. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. It was a pleasure to make a video for you and get out and do an emergency call this evening, see if it turns out. And I'll see you on the next episode of Roadside Rescue.